बच्चों, welcome to my class. Today our topic is stereochemical aspect of nucleophilic substitution reaction. In previous video we learned about nucleophilic substitution reaction, which is two type, SN1 and SN2. Now what is the aspect on stereochemical in SN1 SN2 reaction? In SN2 reaction, the stereochemical effect is completely inverted, whereas in the SN1 reaction the stereochemical aspect is racemized. What is inversion? What is racemization? To understand the stereochemical effects, we just clear some topics. For example, plane chloride slide, optical activity, optical isomerism, asymmetry, symmetry, chirality, enantiomer, racemic mixture, racemization, retention. First, we take the topic optical activity. What is our optical activity? Before that, we know the plane polarized light. We know that light, the particle of light move in the all direction. Just we take this is the light and the particle of the light is propagating through all the direction. This is called plane polarized. This is called normal light. Here the particle of the light is propagate all the direction. When we pass this plane polarized light, this light into a Nicoll prism. It is called Nicoll prism on the name of its inventor. Then this light is converted into the whole direction, is converted into unidirectional light. That is, it is converted to this, which is perpendicular to the propagation of light. Now this is called plane polarized light. This is normal light and this is normal light particle. This is Nicoll prism. When we pass the normal light from Nicoll prism, it changes into plane polarized light. Now this is our plane polarized light. When it passes through substances, we show that these substances will change the rotation of light, maybe clockwise or anti-clockwise. The substance will change the plane polarized rotation of plane polarized light is called optical active compound. These compounds are called optical active compound. Okay, the compound which change the direction of plane polarized light when pass through it is called optical active compound, and it may be two types depending upon the direction of rotation. The light may be rotated clockwise or maybe anti-clockwise. If the compound rotate the plane polarized light in clockwise direction, it called D-dextrorotatory or D form, represented by plus form. Dextrorotatory, rotate the plane polarized light clockwise or right hand side. Okay, now the second compound is rotate the light in the anti-clockwise or left hand side, are called levorotatory or L form or represented by C. The mixture of DLN, when the mixture of DLN is combined, a solution is formed which loses their optical activity, because if the compound is same and the concentration is same, the left hand side rotate by levorotatory will cancel by right hand side levorotatory. That is, when D form or L form mix together in a mixture, in a D form or L form, a positive or negative compound mixed together, they loses their optical activity because the amount, the magnitude of the light rotate by positive or dextrorotatory will cancel the levorotatory, and the result, the light is not disturb their path, so they loses their optical activity. Such mixture is called racemic mixture, represented by this. Okay, in this topic we learn flame polarized light, optical active compound, dextrorotatory, levorotatory and racemic mixture. The compound which are similar in their molecular formula, chemical property and physical property, but only differ in their optical activity. That is, one change the direction right hand side, left hand side, other change left hand side is called optical isomer, and they are optical isomer each other, and the phenomena is called optical isomerism.